Hello? Hello? Tanisha? It's Hall. How you been? I'm doing good. I'm headed to Whitefield for the Bronx right now. Recorded the Metro North Railroad train right now. So what are you doing right now? Oh, okay. Just get out of work. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's good. Halloween's coming up. Halloween, I'm going to be, maybe I'll be a Batman for Halloween. I like to see what's going on. Yeah. And I can't wait to mail it to you for Thanksgiving in November. Like the Thanksgiving card. 2 more months away. Yeah. Yes, it is.
Thank you. Thank you, honey.
Yeah, time's flying. Yeah. So, like yeah, I'm doing great. I'm so happy now. Yeah, I'm happy now. Thanks for asking. Yeah, thanks for asking. I appreciate it. Yeah. Who, me? I just went to 34th Street, Hudson Yards first with my friends. And then I went to the Hotline in Manhattan. The Hotline. And then after that, I take my female friend to record the Metro North Railroad trains to Grand Central to Wakefield. So I'm headed right now, record it right now. I recorded Metro North Railroad trains right now. Metro North. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, Tanisha, let me record the Metro North Railroad trains. I am on the Metro North Railroad right now. Metro North Railroad, yeah. To get off on Grand Central to to Metro North to Grand Central to Wakefield. Yeah. Alright, enjoy your rest of your day. I'll talk to you on Instagram on Thursday. Enjoy the rest of your day. I will text you like noon. Alright, later. Bye. Let's delete that number. Okay. That number. I'll show you what to do. When you're done. I'll show you. What? Yeah, I got it. Got it.
Is Harlem 125th Street, Harlem 125th Street.